with TaxToken. So a little bit of the history. Originally, you had single entry bookkeeping where you had individuals just keep a record for themselves. You'd have double entry bookkeeping, which is a record you have a debit and I have a credit, or vice versa, and we know what we owe each other. Now with triple entry bookkeeping, you have thousands of computers verifying these transactions and allowing there to be a more fair play. So what is TaxToken? TaxToken is creating the accounting infrastructure of the future. We're doing that through two applications. One is BlockBooks, which is our accounting suite, and the second is Triple Entry Tax, which is, of course, our tax software. Both of these utilize our capital asset manager that has already been launched and is out to the public today. We plan on expanding in the next couple of months to other countries. So why do we create the capital asset manager? Well, Coinbase had a John Doe summons last year in June that made 11,500 roughly people have to relinquish their tax documents. That means that right now, 13 million Coinbase users have the chance of their information being relinquished if you guys have good trades and good markets. So we thought that we needed a way to communicate to individuals how to take care of their taxable events. And the four main taxable events are cryptocurrency for fiat, cryptocurrency for cryptocurrency, buying goods or services, or mining cryptocurrencies. Now, if you guys really think about it and you're in the United States, that's basically every transaction, unfortunately. We hope that that'll change in the future, but we can do all these things and track them for you instantaneously, seamlessly, and through scalability. So the individuals, we have cross-integration through all major exchanges. We can work by taking transfers, let's say from Coinbase, through the Ethereum blockchain or other blockchains to, let's use, for example, Binance to buy altcoins. You're going to have your cost basis preserved. You're also going to have your time stamping preserved, making sure that you have the lowest liability when it comes to taxes. From mining, right now it's pretty costly to mine Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at about $9,000 and it costs $4,700 to mine it. Because of that, we saw that you need to have deductions for it. So if you're an LLC, you could have electricity deductions, you could have mining equipment having depreciation, and also if you're pooling, we want to make sure that that is accurately and seamlessly integrated. So individuals, exchanges, and mining, I already mentioned, but why TaxToken? I think one of our competitive advantages is we work with a company called Sovos. They already work with over half of the Fortune 500, including companies like Facebook and Microsoft. So if you want a compliant solution where you're having your taxes tracked in an efficient manner, we've already been around with the company for 40 plus years, making sure that we service it accurately. Currently, we're in the United States. We're moving to the UK as their tax season ends electronically at the end of this year in December. We also plan on moving across the world where we have all regulation already put down and verified. We're working with Sovos right now to make sure that we have compliant solutions for the IRS and the HMRC, and we look at working with other government agencies. For invoicing solutions, everything is third-party verified because of the blockchain. We look at our competitors, such as Intuit with QuickBooks. They charge anywhere from 2.9 to 5% on fees. We charge no fees because we use things such as Nano, where there's no transaction peer-to-peer. They're also automatically generated, and there's increased liquidity because you don't have to wait for ACH transfers. As a use case, you as an individual, if you use our platform, would be selling t-shirts. When that t-shirt is executed over the blockchain, a smart contract will automatically allow for a debit and a credit to be formed that updates your accounting entries, no longer using a costly CPA and eliminating a lot of hours in manual entry. With smart contracts, we can allow for cryptocurrency payment systems such as 10x or token card to have all of these transactions immediately happen on the blockchain. That means that there's no longer an IRS audit trail required. You can simply right-click in our application and see where the transaction happened, when it happened, and is verified with thousands of computers. So with smart card integration, we can basically go to a grocery store such as Walmart and purchase something, let's say insulin, that's over the counter. If you are a diabetic, that's going to be a medical deduction. That's also going to allow you to have that deducted against your adjusted gross income. So we can instantaneously and effortlessly have you a lower tax liability. With text-to-block, if you guys want to send donations to some of your favorite charities, we're partnered with Wounded Warrior Project. That was a fast slide. We basically can have that happen in real time. Auto-filing, compliance, scalability, and speed is the reason why we feel that you should use TaxToken. When it comes to our competitors, there's nobody that's more efficient, that's allowing you to have more compliance in a place where there's really no verification available when it comes to ICOs and other types of compliance. Right now, we have our capital asset manager launched. Smart invoicing is coming at the end of the year, and we hope to bring out BlockBooks by the end of next year. We'd like to eliminate paper receipts and allow for inventory to replenish through self-execution. Thank you, guys.